What if I told you that you could make $100 a day without grinding, hustling, or even leaving your bed? No, this isn't some scam. These are real, lazy ways to earn cash daily, from selling digital stuff you made once, to flipping freebies, to letting your backyard make you money. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree, a big budget, or even to show your face. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just sick of the 9 to 5, this video will show you 33 stupid simple ways to earn $100 a day with minimal effort. Let's get into it. Perfect. Here's a detailed breakdown of 33 lazy ways to make $100 a day, with explanations for each one. These are ideal for a YouTube series or one long faceless video. I'll structure it with what it is, why it's lazy, how it makes money, realistic daily income potential, example tools or platforms, digital products, and passive income. 1. Sell Notion templates. What? Create productivity tools planners, budget trackers in Notion. Why lazy? Build once, sell forever. How? Upload to Gumroad or Etsy. Promote with a simple TikTok or pin. Potential. 5 sales/day x $20 equal $100. Tools. Notion, Gumroad, Canva. 2. Canva templates for resumes or journals. What? Use Canva to design simple templates for others to use. Why lazy? You can start with a Canva free account and use drag and drop. How? Sell on Etsy or Fiverr. Potential. 4 sales/day x $25 equal $100. Tools. Canva, Etsy. 3. Sell eBooks using ChatGPT. What? Use ChatGPT to generate a niche ebook: weight loss, healing, parenting. Why lazy? No writing skills needed. How? Format, create cover, and sell on Gumroad. Potential. 10 copies/day at $10. Tools. ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad. 4. Sell AI art or digital wall prints. What? Use AI to create beautiful art for printing or download. Why lazy? AI generates the art and you upload it once. How? Sell on Etsy as digital downloads. Potential. 4 sales/day at $25. Tools. Midjourney, Canva, Etsy. 5. Sell printable affirmations or quotes. What? Downloadable PDF of inspiring quotes for framing or journals. Why lazy? Easy to make with free tools. How? Sell on Etsy or your own website. Potential. 10 sales/day at $10. Tools. Canva, Etsy. 6. Sell AI-generated children's stories. What? Use ChatGPT plus image generator to create storybooks. Why lazy? AI does most of the work. How? Sell PDFs or printed books via Gumroad or Amazon KDP. Potential. 2 books/day at $50 each. Tools. ChatGPT, DALL, Canva, KDP. 7. Create a guided journal or planner. What? Daily journal with prompts, goals, or affirmations. Why lazy? Use templates. How? Sell on Etsy or print on demand. Potential. 5 sales/day at $20. Tools. Canva, Etsy, BookBolt. 8. Rebrand and sell PLR eBooks. What? PLR equal prewritten content you can edit and sell as your own. Why lazy? No writing required. How? Add your name, design a cover, sell. Potential. 10 sales/day at $10. Sites. PLR.me, Idpler, Big Product Store. 9. Flip domain names. What? Buy cool/short domain names and resell for profit. Why lazy? No ongoing work. How? Buy low, sell on marketplaces. Potential. Sell one domain/week at $700 equal $100/day AVG. Sites. GoDaddy auctions, Namecheap, social media plus affiliate cash. 10. TikTok plus Amazon affiliates. What? Post short reviews or TikTok made me buy it videos. Why lazy? You can use stock video or voiceovers. How? Link in bio to Amazon. Potential. 25 affiliate clicks/day at $4 equal $100. Tools. TikTok, Amazon Influencer Program. 11. Pinterest pins plus affiliate links. What? Post images that link to blogs or shops. Why lazy? Pins last forever and get searched. How? Post 5 pins a day with affiliate links. Potential. $100/day after a few viral pins. Tools. Pinterest, Canva, Amazon/ShareASale. 12. Medium.com plus affiliate blogs. What? Write lazy listicles and insert links. Why lazy? Use AI to write the posts. How? Add affiliate links and track earnings. Potential. $100/day from 5 to 10 viral articles. Tools. Medium, ChatGPT, Grammarly. 13. Newsletter with affiliate links. What? Send a weekly tip-based email with links. Why lazy? AI writes your newsletter. How? Grow a list. Monetize with sponsors or links. Potential. 100 subscribers equal $100/day with good links. Tools. Substack, Behave. 14. Instagram theme pages. What? Niche pages dogs, cars, quotes. Why lazy? Repost viral content with credit. How? Monetize with shoutouts or affiliate links. Potential. $50 $200/day with 10K plus followers. Tools. IG, Canva, Later.com. 15. YouTube Shorts with affiliate products. What? AI voiceovers plus product slideshow. Why lazy? Faceless, fast, passive. How? Link affiliate product in description. Potential. 2 to 5 sales/day x $20. Tools. CapCut, Pexels, ChatGPT, freelance shortcuts. 16. Sell AI-generated video scripts. What? Offer scripts for YouTube or TikTok. Why lazy? ChatGPT writes it all. How? Deliver via Fiverr. Potential. 4 orders x $25. Tools. ChatGPT, Fiverr. 17. Canva logo designer. What? Drag and drop logos from templates. Why lazy? Fast turnaround, high demand. How? Offer on Fiverr or Etsy. Potential. 2 to 5 orders/day at $20 plus. Tools. Canva, Fiverr. 18. Ebook ghostwriter AI assisted. What? Use AI to write ebooks for clients. Why lazy? Copy greater than edit greater than deliver. How? Post gig on Fiverr or Upwork. Potential. 2 books/week at $350 equal $100/day AVG. 19. Business card designer. What? Use templates to build cards. Why lazy? 10 minutes/order. How? Sell on Fiverr. Potential. 5 orders/day at $20. 20. Faceless YouTube intro creator. What? Create 5 10-second intros using stock clips plus AI voices. Why lazy? Use templates. How? Sell on Fiverr. Potential. 4 to 5 orders/day at $25. Real-world easy hustles. 21. Rent your car on Turo. What? Let others drive your car. Why lazy? You just hand off keys. How? List it and get booked. Potential $30, $70/day. 22. Rent your yard on SniffSpot. What? Dog owners rent yards to play. Why lazy? Just unlock the gate. How? Set your availability. Potential $20, $100/day. Site sniffspot.com. 23. Sell parking during events. What? Rent driveway near stadiums/events. Why lazy? No setup needed. How? Use signs or apps. Potential $20, $50/vehicle. 24. Craigslist free flips. What? Pick up free items, resell them. Why lazy? No cost, just posting. How? Flip on Facebook/eBay. Potential $50, $150/day. 25. Yard sale flipping. What? Buy underpriced items, resell. Why lazy? Use Google Lens to price check. How? eBay/OfferUp resale. Potential $100+/day. 26. Poshmark clothing bundles. What? Sell clothing from your closet. Why lazy? Just snap photos. How? List bundles 5 items for $50. Potential 2 bundles/day equal $100. Set and forget income. 27. Sell stock photos/videos. What? Upload nature, city, or object photos. Why lazy? Upload once. How? Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Potential $1, $5/photo x volume equal $100. 28. High yield savings/CDs. What? Earn interest without risk. Why lazy? Fully passive. How? Deposit $10,000 at 3.65% plus APY. Potential $1 equal $30/mo. 29. Cashback apps. What? Get cashback from normal spending. Why lazy? Use apps, snap receipts. How? Upside, Ibotta, Rakuten. Potential $3, $10/day adds up. 30. AI blog for affiliate income. What? Use AI to write SEO articles. Why lazy? Auto post with links. How? Monetize with Amazon ads. Potential $100/day after 1 to 2 months. Tools: WordPress, ChatGPT, Rank Math. 31. Create a Udemy course. What? Teach what you know in 1-hour video. Why lazy? Upload once, sell forever. How? Use slides plus voiceover. Potential $10, $100/day. 32. YouTube automation channel. What? Use voiceover plus stock video plus AI script. Why lazy? No face, no filming. How? Monetize with YouTube ads. Potential $3, $10 CPM equal $100/day with 10K plus views. Tools: Pictory, CapCut, ChatGPT. 33. Sell AI voiceovers. What? Offer voiceovers using 11 Labs or similar. Why lazy? You don't have to talk. How? Sell on Fiverr. Potential 4 to 5 orders/day. So there you have it, some of the laziest, yet smartest ways to make $100 a day without breaking a sweat. Whether you're lounging on the couch, scrolling your phone, or just looking for extra income without the grind, these methods prove that money can work for you, not the other way around. But remember, even the lazy path still requires a bit of consistency and setup. Pick one idea, start small, and grow from there. Your future self will thank you. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and drop a comment below. Which lazy method are you going to try first? Until next time, Stay smart, stay chill, and keep stacking that passive income.